How to share Instagram Reels on Facebook on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Reels icon. This is the Instagram Reels page where you can explore and view Reels. If you want to share a Reel from here, then tap on the share icon on the right. Here, you will find all the sharing options available. From the options, find and select Facebook. You will then be taken to this page on Facebook. Edit the post as you like and then tap on Post at the top right corner. Tap on Continue. And then, tap on Done. Here, tap on Post again to post this reel on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily share Instagram Reels on Facebook on iPhone.